This is a build breakdown of our Chinese touring bikes. Masha and I are planning on riding through some pretty remote locations, so we need these bikes to be bomb-proof, carry all of our gear, and not break the budget. I'm 6'5" and Masha's 5'7", so it was quite a struggle to find bikes in our size. So we landed on LKLM 318 frame sets. Nothing fancy with these frame sets. They are chrome moly, straight gauge steel, so they should be strong enough for what we're going to do. The front rack is from a company here in Vietnam called Ba Trung. It's steel rack, has a 25 kilo load capacity, so we'll see how that goes. The rear rack is from a Chinese company called Dark Rock. It's steel and has a 50 kilo load capacity. Handlebars are from a Chinese company named ProMend. We went with a butterfly bar for better hand positions, and they have ergon grips. For the brakes, we went with Shimano Dior M6100 hydraulic disc brakes with 160mm rotors. In the past, I've used cable disc brakes just for ease of repair, but I've never had a problem, so this time I thought I'd try hydraulic and see how they went. For the drivetrain, rear derailleur is Shimano Dior M5100 11 speed. Rear cassette is 11 to 42 tooth, and the front cranks are M5100 2x. The wheels are from a Chinese company called Black Snow. They're the RM33 36 spoke rims. They're laced to Novatec hubs with Sappham spokes. They are wrapped in Schwalbe Energizer Plus tyres at a 2" by 27.5 diameter. For the saddle, we went with the Brooks C17. You don't need to oil this model, so it's one less thing to worry about while you're on the trail. The pedals are from another Chinese company called Rock Bros. They're basic composite pedals, flat, big platform for good comfort, and you don't have to wear those stupid shoes. So we each have 2 water bottle cages, one for water and the other one will carry fuel bottles for our stove. We also have a salsa anything cage for bigger water capacity. So we really couldn't find any information about these LKLM bikes, but first impressions are they're great. The finish is really nice. They have lots of eyelets for mounting everything. So we really can't say anything bad about them so far, but we'll report back after a few thousand Ks and let you know how it goes. Cheers.